When it comes to winter travel, Europe is one of the most popular destinations in the world. There are so many different countries and cities to choose from, each with its own unique charm and beauty. If you're looking for the best European cities to visit in winter, then you've come to the right place. This list features the 5 most beautiful European cities that are perfect for a winter getaway. From the stunning markets of Paris to the snow-capped mountains of Innsbruck, these cities will definitely give you a holiday to remember. Stay until the end to make you discover the most beautiful city in Europe not to be missed in winter. Welcome to Travelina channel. Travel videos, guide, and tips. In 5th position, Vienna, Austria. The Austrian capital is definitely a European city to visit in winter. If you're a skating fan, you won't be disappointed by Eistraum, the giant ice rink in front of the city hall, which is open from October to March. Afterwards, you can warm up in a traditional Viennese cafe, ideally the Café Central or Café Sacher. Art lovers can enjoy Klimt's Kiss at the Belvedere Museum, or the works of Egon Schiele at the Leopold. Vienna can be reached by train in less than 3.5 hours from Budapest, 4.5 hours from Prague, while the Bratislava-Vienna train journey takes only 1 hour. Number 4. Venice, Italy. Give yourself a chance to discover Venice without the crowds of tourists. With the exception of the shimmering carnival in February, you'll have the opportunity to move around the city with ease. You can enjoy a cappuccino in St. Mark's Square, visit its basilica, the Doge's Palace and its famous Bridge of Sighs, or admire modern works at the Peggy Guggenheim Collection. Don't miss the Rialto Bridge and a gondola ride. In winter, the silent streets combined with the humid air and winter light give an almost mystical aspect to the Serenissima. From Milan, it takes 2 hours to reach Venice. The Bologna-Venice trip is even shorter, taking only 1 hour. In 3 position, London, United Kingdom. As the new year arrives, London is decked out in 1,000 lights. Reach the capital of the United Kingdom in no time at all, a 2-hour journey from Paris to London. At this time of the year, the famous Hyde Park is a real enchantment. Attractions, Ferris wheels and animations of all kinds make the happiness of young and old. The illuminations transform the British capital and its windows into a fairy tale. You can skate on the ice skate, the ice rink located near the London Eye, admire the huge tree in Trafalgar Square, or visit the Tate Modern. Finally, don't miss the opportunity to warm up with a tea time at the famous Royal Supplier Fortnum and Mason. The city number 2. Athens, Greece. The Greek capital is an ancient city with a mix of modern urbanity and coastal charm. It's a great option in winter because you won't have to deal with the crowds, the heat, and the high prices. From Thessaloniki to Athens, it takes about 5 hours by train to reach your destination and discover wonderful archaeological sites, including the Acropolis. The city also offers various views of the surrounding area, such as the PNYX or the Lycabet Hill, accessible by funicular. You can stroll through Plaka, the oldest district of Athens, or taste the delicious Greek cuisine. And now with the most visited European city in winter, not to be missed. Paris, France. Paris is, of course, known as the City of Light, and for good reason. The beautiful architecture of the Eiffel Tower, its lights, its food, and its atmosphere are iconic. So it makes sense that it's one of the most beautiful destinations for the winter months, especially if you're traveling your wife or husband. Grab a scarf and take a stroll through the streets of Paris, taking time to sit and admire the scenery. The city sometimes gets snowed in during the winter, and you may be lucky enough to enjoy a light powdery snow that will make things even more charming. Take a stroll down the Champs-Élysées to admire the dazzling lights. And go to the Galeries Lafayette to admire its splendid windows. If you want to go up the Eiffel Tower, winter is probably the best time to do it because it's less crowded. The Louvre also has a much shorter queue, so consider spending some time there too. Travelina appreciates your attention. If you like this video, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell, like, comment and share. What are your favorite places? You choose the next travel video. Please let me know with a comment below.